This is the vibe, grayish green. And I was just saying to Andre, we need to get like a lounge chair right here, like a green one. And then I'm gonna leave that white, but this wall we're gonna do batting. I'm gonna try and match the sheet color. I wonder if I could just buy more sheets. But yeah, I wanna basically use like a staple gun. I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna figure it out. We're gonna use Pinterest, but this whole wall, I wanna do like a padded wall. And then I want to do 2 antler sconces on either side, or a pendant light, I'm not sure. We shall see. What's up, you guys? So I just put together our mattress for now. The bedding is so cute and so reasonable. We went to the store and got these couple of little barrels here that I want to fill with bushes and poinsettia. We talked about this in the last video, poinsettias. I have a cardinal for them, branches, super cute. We also got these for the stairs. We're adulting hard, even though I'm wearing slippers right now. But I'm thinking of putting one of these. I love these little walkway paths. They have moss all over them. I mean, not for long once it snows. But I was thinking of putting one of these here. I don't know. We're gonna do it together. But I just thought these were so stinking cute. Just like one here. And obviously I have to fill it with the stuff, and then I have a ribbon for the side of it. Or I could put one at either side. But I have to make a decision because I have to fill it with rocks and stuff so that it actually stays put. So basically, I was gonna say the world is my oyster. This forest is my oyster, and I can go grab, there is rocks. I can't do this stuff at the other house. There is rocks, there is dirt, there is trees, there is birch branches on the ground. The forest is my oyster. So I am going to DIY some very Canadian-esque country decorations and hang out. It's a beautiful day right now. It's not that cold. I could actually set myself up in the sun if I really wanted to also. I'm gonna put the cardinals in there. So let's DIY together with some forest friends. It's gonna be great. Tried to pick some of the branches that were already had some dying pieces so that I wasn't hurting the integrity of the tree. This is way easier than going to Home Depot. This smells so flippin' good. This is amazing. That looks so good. Okay, so I did 4 of the balsam-ish, and then I had these. I thought I just saw a cardinal. The day that I see a cardinal, if it's on camera, I'm gonna bawl my face off. And then 2 of these little guys. Okay, so we need more. That looks so... I can't even tell you how much better that looks than what was at Home Depot. Amazing. Okay, let's go get more. And then I want to get a couple... There's some birch trees that fell. So I want to get a couple of pieces of birch. I think I see some, unless that's snow. I feel like I'm inside of a Christmas tree right now. When I tell you that this smells amazing. Oh my gosh, the branch adds such good, oh my gosh, yes. Look at with the branch. And I just found the branch on the ground. I'm gonna go find more. I feel like a child right now. This is so fun. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Do we are they even? I feel like he's a bit less. He has an extra branch. This is incredible. incredible. Okay, let's go find branches. It's gonna be so pretty when there's all snow here. Perfect. Guys, look at the birch. This is like the epitome of winter. With how good this looks. Stop it right now. How? This is better than anything I could have got at Home Depot. Where do I put the cardinal? Just on a branch, right? Yes. Okay, and then I'm thinking the ribbon, like right here. My little cardinals. Like I couldn't, this is incredible. I couldn't have asked for anything better. Okay, so he has a little clip under his butt. I clipped him to the branch. Thanks, babe. Yes! When I tell you my mom is going to try stealing this from me. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. All right, yeah, I'm thinking no, right? I think the simplicity of just the 2 pops of red. Yes, we're going to take this off. You're doing too much. Trust me, we will find another spot for you, my friend. Yes, girl. Okay, the detail of these, I understand why they're a bit pricier, but look at how good it looks, and you can arrange it into the branches. I get it. And then there's fairy lights attached to it. This thing smells so flippin' good. Okay, so we got these at Home Depot. I thought it was a good purchase to not slip on the steps because these will get slippery in the winter. Except they stapled on the tag, which, like, that's worse than anything you could have gotten at Home Goods. It's brutal. Hi, Maple. Okay, we just had a lovely visit. Look at what my brother and his wife got me to put on the bar cart. This little reindeer. And then, oh my gosh, I wanted one of these forever. It's a pepper shaker, but it's so cool. It's like made of a log. And I was gonna buy a Crate and Barrel, like club table, like a bar style. How do you call that? Like almost like a coffee table, like a low profile rustic table. And my dad's like, I have this piece of wood in the garage at my place. And I was like, he was like, do you want a table? I was like, yes. So we just measured and it's amazing. So we had a lovely visit, and Audrey and I are gonna go into town and go find a TV because Mama wants to watch some Christmas movies and we need ambience. So we decided, because we didn't really need an extra TV for nothing, but it's gonna go in Audrey's office once we move from the other house. We just don't want to start taking TVs off the wall at the other house, but let me show you, more importantly than televisions, let me show you this. Can we just, with the fairy lights, it's gonna be so pretty at night too. I love it. Like, it just worked out really well. I think I'm gonna do something else with the ribbon and the extra branches because the fake branches did not go well with the real branches. Oh, I should probably put water in this, right? Probably, to keep it alive. I mean, the water will freeze eventually, but I just think this is like the greatest thing. This is like the cutest little welcome. You know what we need? Okay, just realized I need my red plaid entrance rug at the other end. I love it. Yes, I'm kind of obsessed. All right, so I'm gonna prop myself up right here. Wait for Andre. This is so cute. I'm gonna wait for Andre and probably grab our coffee and go buy a TV today. I just hope that, I mean, it's falling perfectly because of Black Friday sales-ish are still happening. So I feel like we have good timing with getting this house. Same with like furniture and stuff. Everything seems to be on sale. Or so they say. So we'll see. But thank you for being a part of my very country Christmas DIY project, which I'm very proud of. I feel like I surpassed my own expectations. This was very fun. And now I kind of want to do more of it. We're going to grow our own little Christmas trees and cut them down eventually. That'll be so fun. But I hope that you guys did enjoy this, and hopefully you got your own ideas and just get yourself like a pail of some sort, some faux flowers if you need them. The cardinal helps. And then some branches and some sticks. And I feel like the sticks added a lot. Some fairy lights. Amazing. And I will share all of the behind the scenes, and I'll try and do like a reel of this. And I try and do DIY reels on my Instagram. So if you're not following over there, and all the behind the scenes of the house are happening on Instagram, especially for subscribers. So definitely go follow over there. And I will see you guys tomorrow, I guess. Bye, dudes.